This is Logical Logistics, where we cover shipping, supply chain, logistics, and everything in between. Welcome to the show.
Hey everybody, welcome to the latest episode of Logical Logistics. I'm Joe Becht. Thanks for all the responses, all the replies, all the listens. You can reach me at joe@bellair, BELLAIR.com. Today I want to talk about taking control of your supply chain. Here in Chicago, we are doing a bang-up job of supplying PPE, all these new acronyms coming out are amazing with all the flood of information. Anyway, back to the flood of information. As a side note, just listen to Dr. Fauci and maybe one other news source because it's just getting out of hand. Anyway, taking control of your supply chain is key, especially nowadays. And if you really want to take control of your supply chain, you need to work with a quality hands-on white glove service such as Bellair. You can contact Bellair at, you can email me, joe@bellair.com, go to BES Logistics, Logical Logistics, and also bellair.com, BELLAIR. So it's really, in this day and age of just desensitized supply chain where you don't know where things are coming from, where they're going, you're in a call queue that can be frustrating, especially nowadays. If you use a company like Bellair, you're going to talk to someone directly involved with your supply chain. You can call to make sure if your email is even received. And that's a big advantage using a company like that to improve the quality of your supply chain. So white glove service is really important and essential. As far as the global outlook, obviously we're on a lockdown for another 30 days, but we have, there are essential businesses out there, and Bellair is one of those essential businesses. And we are out there to help you and to get it out there. And within our organization, we're practicing social distancing. We have small groups that work together. And we're staying as safe as possible. We actually have a licensed public health worker on staff with our operation. If she doesn't get called out with the state emergency, she'll be staying on board and helping us with the process of getting things out. But we're up and running. Very valuable information. The payroll protection program starts on Friday. If you have not done so, go to your banker immediately and contact to see if and how you can apply for that if you are a smaller business. But if you are a larger business, because we do deal with larger companies, you can still use a white glove service like Bellair, and it's going to really improve your supply chain process, which is essential. There's going to be a lot of things that are going to be reevaluated. One of the problems with what is happening with this COVID-19 coronavirus situation is there's so much information. No one knows what's right, what's wrong. It changes constantly. But I believe there are some positives that could come out of this as far as sanitation processes. And on the other end, I truly believe that a company like Bellair is going to be helpful in those processes. So hang in there. We're going to try to keep you updated as much as possible. I'd like to get some guests. There's people out there we can talk to. There's people out there that are busy. There's a lot of people with free time in their hands. So we're going to see who we can talk to. But we're going to keep these daily updates as well. On the international front, it's very interesting. More and more countries are getting shut down. So it looks like we're getting more regions that are anxious to get things out. Now we're seeing from Southeast Asia, like Vietnam, Cambodia, we're getting inquiries to get things out there. The ocean freight is still out there as well. We're getting quite a bit of unusual sales solicitations for masks and hand sanitizer and things like that, which don't really seem on the up and up. But it is very, very strange to go along with these strange times on the communications that we're getting out there. We're in contact with politicians locally and nationally to see, what can be done. I think the big unknown is a lot of politicians don't know what's going to happen. But I do have a lot of confidence in Dr. Fauci. The guy's lineage is there. His record speaks for himself, and I think if there's one guiding light, that should be it. Anyway, good to talk to you. Thanks for the emails. Thanks for listening. And until next time, we will talk soon. Stay safe, stay healthy, and see you on the other end.
Hey, thanks for listening to the show. If you want to drop us a line, email us at becht5@comcast.net. You can leave comments, or if you want to be a guest, becht5@comcast.net. Also, make sure to review us on iTunes or other media outlets that we're located on. Special thanks goes out to Anthony B., my producer. And we'll see you next time on Logical Logistics.
Click the subscribe button for new videos every week and download us and review us on iTunes. Visit www.beslogistics.net for more logistics, transportation, and warehousing resources. Thanks for watching.